Today's video is all about a popular request: how to achieve your first organic sales on Amazon KDP. Many people invest a lot of time and energy into creating and publishing a book, whether it's a coloring book or another type, only to find little or no response after launch. This can be quite discouraging, especially if you're hoping for immediate sales success. This video will guide you through some key strategies and special tips to enhance your book's visibility and improve your chances of making organic sales on Amazon. So be sure to watch through to the end to gain valuable insights that you won't want to miss. If you enjoy the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let's start with an essential first step: niche research. Before diving into book design, it's crucial to identify your target niche. For instance, if you're interested in publishing a coloring book, you should further specify if it will feature themes like zoo animals, landscapes, or motivational quotes. Many people mistakenly choose a niche based solely on their own interests. While creating something you're passionate about can be rewarding, if you're aiming to generate sales, it's important to prioritize what potential buyers are actively searching for on Amazon. The goal is to find a niche that has high demand but low competition. Without demand, even a beautifully designed book might struggle to sell. And if the niche is too crowded, standing out among numerous similar books can be challenging. Luckily, there are several reliable tools available to help you identify these profitable niches. One of my favorites is the Titans Pro Chrome extension from Self-Publishing Titans. This tool has both free and paid versions, with the Pro membership costing around $14 per month or a one-time payment option for lifetime access. Once you install the Titans Pro extension, a purple Titans button will appear on Amazon's search bar. Start by entering a broad search term like coloring book. When you click the purple button, the extension will provide expanded keywords, along with data on sales volume and search results. The tool includes demand and opportunity scores, where any score of 5 or above, highlighted with green circles, signals a niche with good demand and manageable competition. For example, a keyword like flowers and shapes coloring book for kids with a demand score of 5 and an opportunity score that supports it could be a viable choice to consider. You can also dig deeper by clicking on a button that reveals detailed information on existing books in that niche. This includes each book's pricing, review count, and monthly sales, giving you valuable insights to make informed decisions. Additionally, this tool can help you determine the 7 keywords for your book, an essential part of optimizing your listing for Amazon's search algorithm. Following these steps will help you choose the right niche and keywords to boost your book's visibility and maximize your chances for those first organic sales. 4. When going through the Amazon KDP book upload process, it's essential to use tools that help align your book with relevant, low-competition, high-demand keywords. If you're serious about KDP publishing, investing in a niche research tool, like the one mentioned, or a similar option, is wise because finding the right niche is foundational to success. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is to analyze competitors in that niche. This involves studying other books currently available to identify ways to make yours unique. You want your book to stand out, whether through improved design, more engaging graphics, an appealing cover, or even a greater number of pages. Publishing a book that's too similar to others, especially those with established reviews, can make it harder to attract customers. A helpful tip is to examine competitors' reviews. See what customers enjoyed and, more importantly, where they found faults. By addressing these areas in your own book, you can deliver a product that better meets reader expectations. Now, let's talk about designing a high-quality coloring book. AI tools have surged in popularity over the past couple of years, with options like Coloring Book Hero and Canva's coloring book apps. While these AI tools can quickly produce intricate illustrations with minimal effort, they come with drawbacks. AI-generated images often contain excessive grayscale, making them less suited for coloring. Also, maintaining a consistent style across AI-generated images can be challenging, which could make your book feel disjointed. Moreover, creating a color version of an AI image for the cover that matches the interior black and white illustrations can be difficult, potentially leading to customer dissatisfaction and even returns. If you opt for AI illustrations, be sure to invest extra time to address these challenges, aiming for a professional, cohesive look. However, if you have illustration skills, consider using your own hand-drawn images. This not only gives you full control over quality, but also makes your book unique and allows you to build your portfolio. For those aspiring to enhance their illustration skills, platforms like Skillshare offer valuable resources. Skillshare, a top online learning community, provides thousands of creative courses led by experts. I recently completed a course on creating coloring pages in Procreate, which helped me gain confidence and skills for designing my own pages, step by step. By combining thorough niche research, competitor analysis, and thoughtful design choices, you'll be well-positioned to publish a successful coloring book on Amazon KDP. With summer in full swing, it's the perfect opportunity to learn new skills to enhance your Amazon KDP journey. If you don't have the time or skills to create your own illustrations, consider joining the Publisher's Vault, a membership platform providing unlimited access to a large library of unique, hand-drawn illustrations ideal for coloring books. Membership offers access to over 50 illustration packs covering diverse themes, with new content added monthly. It also includes weekly coaching calls and bonus tutorial videos. The Publisher's Vault features both character and background illustrations, giving you flexibility to mix and match, and you receive colored illustrations for consistent book covers. For those with a specific creative vision that isn't available on other platforms, hiring a freelance illustrator from sites like Fiverr may be the best option. You can find illustrators to bring your exact ideas to life at reasonable prices. Once your book is fully illustrated and ready for Amazon KDP, it's time to focus on optimizing your listing. Here are 3 key tips. 1. Set a competitive price. When launching your book, start with a price slightly below similar books in your niche. 1. This can attract buyers, especially if competing books already have established reviews. 1. You can always adjust the price as your book gains traction. 2. Use A+ content. A+ content is a valuable tool on Amazon that lets you add additional infographic elements and text to the bottom of your listing. 2. It's free and allows you to showcase your book's features, benefits, and even provide a glimpse into its interior. 2. Using book mockups in A+ content can give your listing a professional touch. And 3. Build reviews carefully. Reviews are crucial as they provide social proof that drives sales. By using these strategies, you can set your KDP book up for success and increase its visibility on Amazon. Additionally, try generating a QR code with Canva that links directly to your product's review page. Placing this QR code inside your book offers readers a convenient way to access the review page, increasing the likelihood that satisfied readers will leave positive feedback. While this video focuses on organic strategies, ads are not covered here, as it's best to avoid ad spending until your book has a strong listing, quality content, and some reviews. Without these elements, ads may not convert to sales, and spending on ads early could mean lost money. Instead, leverage free methods like sharing your book on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Many coloring books have found success on TikTok by generating interest and driving traffic. And this is a great approach if you can invest the time. KDP is a fantastic low-cost, low-barrier business model. But like any business, it demands persistence, creativity, and patience for growth. If you expect instant, viral success, you may end up disappointed. For most, success on KDP grows through experience. The more books you publish, the better you'll become at creating quality books and spotting promising niches, leading to more organic sales. Often, 80% of your sales will come from only about 20% of your books. Even if your current books haven't gained traction, the next one might just reach your goals. Success might be just around the corner with your next book. Keep applying the tips in this video, stay consistent, and don't give up on your dream. Let this be a sign to keep going. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time.